Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing you my recipe for making crispy, delicious beer batter fish for your fish and chips. This recipe is super easy and doesn't take many ingredients. So without wasting a time, let's check the ingredients that you will need. Fish, beer, cornstarch, club soda or sparkling water, baking powder, flour, pepper, salt. First we'll start by getting fish ready. Here I'm using grouper fish. You can use any white fish that is easily available to you. I live in Florida and I have easy access to fresh grouper, so that's what I'm going to use. So what we're going to do is get a tissue paper or kitchen napkin, you will say, and just batter it. We're trying to remove all the extra moisture from the fish, so when we fry it, it stays crispy and don't get soggy. Let's keep the fish aside, and for the next step we'll need some flour. This is roughly 2 to 3 tablespoon flour. To this I'm going to add some sea salt. We are just going to nicely season this flour. Now I will add some black pepper, mix it good. Now I'm going to add some garlic powder. You don't have to, this is optional. I like to add garlic powder and paprika, but you don't have to. This is totally optional. You can just stick to the salt and black pepper. So let's add some garlic powder. I like everything garlicky. Me and my husband, we both enjoy garlic a lot. And some paprika. Not much, just a little. Flour is nicely mixed. Now let's bring back our fish. Now what we'll do is get the fish, put it in the flour, coat it nicely, and keep back. That's all we're going to do. We are doing this because flour will absorb that extra moisture from the fish. So after frying the fish, it won't get soggy real fast. For making the beer batter, we'll start by adding cornstarch, flour. To this, I'm going to add baking powder. Now we'll add some seasoning. Here I'm using some sea salt. Add it to your taste. And some black pepper. And now let's mix this all good. Now to this we'll add beer and some club soda or sparkling water. You can also use all beer, but I like it this way. And mix it. Here you're looking for a pancake consistency, like pancake batter consistency, not pancake. So you can adjust the amount of beer or club soda, whatever you prefer. Yeah. Now what happens is some flour will absorb a lot more moisture than other, and some will absorb very less. So you just have to see how much you need. You're just looking for a pancake batter consistency. Just remember that. Now this is pretty good. So let's put our fish fillet in a batter and coat it nice. So let's start frying our fish. What we'll do is drip all the excess batter and don't directly put it in. Let that hot oil coat the fish and then drop it in. So this will help the fish to not stick at the bottom. So let's do another one. Once they are nice and golden, it's time to get them out. So here is our fish and chips ready. I made the homemade tartar sauce. It's pretty easy. If you need the recipe, let me know. And the way I like to eat this is get the lemon, squeeze all over it, and you hear that crunch? So crispy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It was super easy to make. I will say it will just take 5 minutes for you to make this recipe. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you next time. Bye.